What's up guys? In today's video I will be showing you how to connect, set up and use your HryFine smartwatch from start to finish. And without wasting much of your time, let's quickly dive into the video. First things first, you have to make sure that your HryFine smartwatch is fully charged so you're not struggling with battery issues. And once that is done, the first thing you want to do is to come over to your phone and then head over to the Google Play Store or App Store of your phone. Then go ahead and search and download the HryFine Smartwatch app. So just go ahead and search for HryFine Smartwatch. Now you can literally see the app over here. It is actually on the Google Play Store and on the App Store if you're using an iPhone. And then just make sure you download and install this app into your phone. Once it is downloaded and installed, you can go ahead and open it up directly from here by just clicking on the open button. This is basically how the app looks like. Go ahead and click on the agree option over here. And then just click on allow. You basically just want to give the app all of the permission it needs to work properly with your smartwatch. So once you're done, you can go ahead and sign in by clicking on the Gmail option. That is if you want to sign in using your Gmail. But first of all, you want to click on the I agree to your policy over here. So just click on that and then click on sign in option. I am signing in with my Gmail. You can go ahead and sign in with any email if you want. And then just click on the email you want to use to sign in. Now at this point, you have to take note of your account number and your account password as well. This is basically the details that you will be needing to log in later on your app. So just make sure you screenshot this and keep it one place. Then click on confirm to proceed. Click on confirm once again. Now you want to go ahead and enter your nickname. So I'll go ahead and enter mine over here. Click on confirm. Enter your sex. In my case, it is male. And then your birthday as well. Also enter your height and your weight as well. Then you click on the confirm button at the end. Once all of this is successful, what you just want to do is to go ahead and give it permission to turn on Bluetooth on your device. So click on allow, and now it is turning on the Bluetooth of your phone. You can go ahead and click on the back button over here. And then now that we have successfully logged into the HryFine Smartwatch app, the next thing you want to do is to make sure that you turn on Bluetooth on your HryFine Smartwatch. So basically from the home of your smartwatch, you just want to swipe up and you're going to see the Bluetooth icon over here. Click on it to make sure it is turned on. And then the next thing you just want to do is to go ahead and click on this icon at the top of your HryFine Smartwatch app. Click on it just like so. And now your HryFine Smartwatch is now looking for available devices it can actually connect to. And as long as the Bluetooth of your HryFine watch is turned on, your smartwatch app should be able to find it. Now what you just want to do is to go ahead and select the name of your smartwatch. You can literally see mine over there. And currently it is connecting. And just like so, we have successfully connected our HryFine smartwatch with our HryFine smartwatch app. Now you just want to click on the view option over here. And then just make sure you click on the pair option. And then go back to the app. Now at this point, you also want to make sure you connect the Bluetooth of your phone with your HryFine smartwatch. So basically, you want to come over to the Bluetooth settings of your phone just like so, and then allow your phone to find available Bluetooth devices. Mine has already been connected, but if yours has not been connected, once you select the name of your HryFine smartwatch, it should be able to connect just like this over here. As you can see, mine is currently connected. Now you want to go back to your HryFine smartwatch, and then there are a couple of things you can actually do here to properly use this app and your smartwatch. First things first, you want to head over to the me option over here, and then you just want to go over to device settings. And first things first, if you actually want a 24 hours clock instead of a 12 hours clock, you want to make sure you enable 24 hours over here. And if you come over to our smartwatch, you can literally see the time just changed on the smartwatch as well. Now once you're done with that, there are a couple of other things you can actually do, or interesting features you can actually activate on your HryFine smartwatch app. So for instance, if you come over to the me icon at the end of the right hand side over here, then click on my device settings over here, you can actually do a couple of things. For instance, if you come over to the message notification over here, you can go ahead and enable all of the applications you want to receive notifications on your HryFine smartwatch. So if you want WhatsApp notifications on your HryFine smartwatch, you want to make sure you enable WhatsApp and every other social media app you want that is actually active on your phone. And for those you don't want, you can go ahead and disable them as well. So once you're done, click on the confirm button over here and it will automatically be set for you on your HryFine smartwatch app. And if you actually want to test this out, you can go ahead and send a message to your WhatsApp or any other social media, and you will receive it on your HryFine Smartwatch app. Now this app also allows you to dial, so you can go ahead and dial from your HryFine Smartwatch and it will actually be dialed on your phone as well. So I'll just go ahead and try to make a dial. Just click on the dial option over here, then go ahead and dial for any number and just make a call. Click on OK, and automatically that number will also be dialed on my HryFine Smartwatch app. There are also other interesting things you can do from over here. So basically you can as well just use your phone to look for your HryFine Smartwatch. Once you click on the Find My Watch option over here, your smartwatch will automatically start making a noise indicating that you're now looking for it with your phone. Another thing you can actually do is to go ahead and change the profile picture of your HryFine Smartwatch. To do this, from the Me tab at the bottom over here, come over to Dial and then just scroll down to where you have the DIY dial. Select that and then just click on Select Picture and then select picture over here. Now from here you'll be required to select any picture from your gallery, so just scroll down and select any picture. In my case, I'll just select this, my picture over here, and you can go ahead and crop it if you want to. Then just click on the check button over here. Now just go ahead and click on check, and then from over here you can as well customize the look of the profile picture. So you can go ahead and change the color of the text on top of the profile picture. You can as well just change what you want above and below the profile picture as well, using all of this customization feature. And once you're done, just click on the save and use, and then just give it some few minutes to complete uploading. You can literally see it is now uploading into my HryFine Smartwatch. Give it some few seconds. And once the upload is completed, you can now see that my profile picture is now what is used as the profile for my HryFine Smartwatch. So basically this works absolutely well. Also, if you want to find information about your smartwatch, just come over to the About option at the bottom over here, and you're literally going to see the version of HryFine Smartwatch you have as well. You can as well enable the power saving mode by just clicking on power saving over here. This will help to make sure that the battery of your HryFine Smartwatch is not drained drastically. Now there are also other interesting things you can actually do. For instance, you can use your HryFine Smartwatch to find your phone. So if you click on the phone icon over here and then just click on this search icon, long press on it, it will start looking for your phone and your phone will start making a noise. You can literally see it works absolutely well. So this is actually like the Find My Phone feature. Now that is basically how to connect, set up and use your HryFine Smartwatch. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.